Pros and cons of living in Scottsdale, Arizona will shock you because the reality hides behind the beauty. Imagine a place where desert mountains meet modern luxury, and every sunrise feels like a brand new start. It is easy to see why so many people flock here, as the quality of life often feels like a permanent vacation. But beneath the surface, there is a complex reality about housing prices that might change your plans today. I remember walking down Old Town just last week, and I honestly felt like I was in a completely different world. The cost of living here is roughly 30% higher than the average for the United States of America. Sitting with those figures, I really had to pause and wonder if the lifestyle justifies that steep premium. You will find incredible healthcare facilities, which rank among the best across the entire desert region. Yet, the traffic can get quite heavy, especially during the peak tourist season when the snowbirds arrive. Let us walk through a typical Saturday morning for a resident, starting with a hike at the McDowell sauna run. After the hike, you drive to a local shop for coffee, and you suddenly realize the traffic is crawling slow. That brings me back to the heat, which hits over 110 degrees during the summer months here. I personally struggle with that extreme summer weather, even though the winters feel absolutely perfect. On the bright side, the education system is highly rated, offering great opportunities for your children. Safety statistics consistently show low crime rates, which gives families peace of mind in this community. I looked at the data again, and that one surprised me given how quickly this city has grown over the years. Economic growth remains strong, with tech companies and tourism driving consistent local job expansion. However, housing affordability is becoming a challenge for the average worker living in this region now. People here are generally active and friendly, fostering a community focused on wellness and outdoor life. To decide if this is right for you, visit in August to feel the heat and verify the traffic patterns first. Check local real estate listings for your budget to see if the housing market matches your income level. Spend time driving through different neighborhoods to gauge if the suburban vibe fits your daily routine. We often romanticize the idea of a desert paradise, but every city demands a balance of trade and value. Consider whether the high cost of living aligns with the career growth you hope to achieve moving forward. Ultimately, finding your home is about matching your personal values with the reality of the daily grind.